Hello everybody, I am Samuel Jalbert, and I'm going to be making a cannon with my dad, but before we start creating this thing and eventually destroying certain things, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video, and please watch till you get to the end. It's going to be fun, and let's get a move on. Let's go.
Okay. Good. The cat, come here.
I'm sorry.
Come on, the cat. Hey.
Come back in.
He's
He's here.
All right, we're gonna shoot now. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Ready? Yeah.
Okay, so what you just saw earlier, we had used gunpowder from a shotgun shell, and we'll continue using gunpowder from other shotgun shells. If you are under 18 years old, like me, I highly recommend that you have adult supervision, and if they have experience, that's even better, okay? I highly recommend. Actually, I say you must have adult supervision. Anyways, This cannon, I believe, is ready for the battlefield and is ready to destroy some stuff. Let's get a move on.
There they are, men. Charge!
Oh my gosh! Where'd the cannon go? Where's the cannon broke? The cannon broke! Oh my.
People, if you are under 18 like myself, I highly recommend that you have an adult with you. Anyways, yeah, so that was quite an explosive experience. And we have photos of the fragments and the battle casualties, heavy battle casualties. And here they are. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video though, and please don't forget to smash that like button, that subscribe button, and of course that notification bell so that you'll know that I have uploaded a new video, whatever that date will be. So, please don't forget to share, and yeah, I don't know if I'll make another explosive video like this, but it was fun doing it. See you guys in the next video. God bless you. Goodbye.